हाय गाइस, क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया। तो देखो, इस क्लास में हम लोग देखने वाला है यूनिट 8 एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी एंड क्लाइंट्स। तो एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट यूनिट होने वाला है, तो इस क्लास को इज्जत से समझ लो। हो सके तो नोट्स वगैरह को लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो, जिससे तुम्हारे दिमाग में छप जाए और तुम एग्जाम में जाके किल कर दो। आ रहा बात समझ में? तो चलो फिर क्लास चालू करते हैं। तो देखो, सबसे पहले क्या है एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी। अब ये क्या है? एन एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी इज ए प्रोफेशनल सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन that help businesses create, plan, and execute advertising campaigns. It serves as a bridge between advertisers and the media, ensuring that advertisements are effectively designed and placed to maximize impact. तो ये जो एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी है, ये क्या है? एक प्रोफेशनल सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। और ये क्या करता है? ये बिजनेसेस को हेल्प करता है इन क्रिएटिंग, प्लानिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूटिंग advertising campaigns. It serves as a bridge between advertisers and the media. किस लिए? To ensure that advertisements are effectively designed and placed to maximize impact. Need for advertising agencies. Advertising agencies are essential for businesses due to several reasons. तो देखो, पहला क्या है? Professional expertise. Agencies have skilled professionals like copywriters, designers, and strategists who create impactful advertisements. Next है creativity and innovation. They develop fresh and unique ideas that attract consumer attention. Next, market research. Agencies analyze consumer behavior and preferences to tailor advertisements accordingly. Next, media planning and buying. They choose the most effective platforms like TV, print, digital to maximize reach and impact. Time and cost efficiency. Outsourcing advertising tasks saves businesses time and often proves cost effective in the long run. Strategic branding. Agencies help build a strong brand identity, making products or services recognizable in the market. तो example देखो, a small bakery may not have expertise in digital marketing, and advertising agency can help it create social media campaigns, ensuring it reaches more potential customers. तो ये जो advertising agencies वगैरह है, इसका जरूरत क्या है? ये जो एजेंसीज वगैरह है, ये बिजनेसेस को बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से हेल्प कर सकता है। जैसे कि प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्टीज, इनके पास प्रोफेशनल टीम होता है, जैसे कि कॉपी राइटर्स, डिजाइनर्स, ये सब क्या करता है? दे क्रिएट इम्पैक्टफुल एडवर्टाइजमेंट। नेक्स्ट है क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनोवेशन, हु ब्रिंग्स फ्रेश एंड यूनिक आइडियाज। नेक्स्ट, मार्केट रिसर्च। ये एजेंसीज वगैरह कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर और प्रेफरेंसेस के अनुसार एडवर्टाइजमेंट तैयार करता है। नेक्स्ट, मीडिया प्लानिंग एंड बाइंग। They choose most effective platforms to maximize reach and impact. Next, time and cost efficiency. और आगे है strategic branding. ये एजेंसीज वगैरह ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी बिल्ड करने में हेल्प करता है, जिससे प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज कैन बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन द मार्केट। नेक्स्ट है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एन एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी. Advertising agencies are structured into various departments, each handling a specific function. तो पहला डिपार्टमेंट क्या है? क्रिएटिव डिपार्टमेंट। ये करता क्या है? रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिजाइनिंग एंड राइटिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स। नेक्स्ट है मीडिया प्लानिंग एंड बाइंग, डिसाइड्स वेयर एंड व्हेन द एड्स विल बी प्लेस्ड फॉर मैक्सिमम इफेक्टिवनेस। नेक्स्ट है क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग, एक्ट्स एज ए ब्रिज बिटवीन द agency and the advertiser, understanding the client's needs. Next है research and strategy, conducts market research and develops marketing strategies. Next है production department, manages the production of TV commercials, digital ads and print ads. Example देखो, a smartphone brand hiring an agency will work closely with the client servicing team, while the creative team will design engaging ads. आगे देखो evolution of marketing agencies. The marketing industry has evolved significantly over time. Early stage, ये क्या था? प्रिंट मीडिया जैसे कि न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन्स डोमिनेटेड एडवर्टाइजिंग। उसके बाद रेडियो एंड टीवी एरा, द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रेडियो एंड टेलीविजन एक्सपांडेड एडवर्टाइजिंग रीच। उसके बाद आया डिजिटल एरा, इंटरनेट, सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग बिकेम डोमिनेंट। नेक्स्ट है AI and data driven advertising. Today, artificial intelligence helps in personalized advertising, such as showing ads based on browsing history. Example देखो, earlier advertisements were placed in newspapers, but today companies use Google Ads to target specific customers based on interest. Next है obtaining business for an advertising agency. Advertising agencies acquire clients through various methods. तो पहला है pitching. Agencies present creative ideas to potential clients. Next, networking and referrals. Satisfied clients recommend agencies to others. Next, case studies and testimonials showcasing past successful campaigns attracts new clients. Competitive pricing, offering affordable yet effective advertising solutions. Next, strong portfolio. A diverse portfolio of various work builds a strong and credibility. Example, a new sports brand looking for advertising services might choose an agency that has successfully promoted other sports brand. Next, benefits and cost to advertisers. Benefits of hiring an advertising agency: professional campaigns, higher quality advertisements that engage audiences. Next, increased reach, access to multiple media platforms. Next, time savings, businesses can focus on core operations. Next, market insights, data driven decision making for targeted marketing. Next, cost involved, service fees. Agencies charge for creative and strategic services. Next है media cost, payment for aid placements like TV, social media, billboards, etc. Production costs, expenses related to making video or digital aids. Example, a fast food chain hiring an agency to create TV commercials will pay for the agency's expertise, production and media cost. आगे देखो, relationship between agencies and clients. A strong agency client relationship is key to successful advertising. The relationship depends on clear communication, understanding the client's vision and objectives. Next है trust and transparency. Clients must trust the agency's strategies. Next, feedback and adaptation. Agencies must be open to client feedback and make necessary adjustments. Next, performance measurement. Regular evaluation of aid effectiveness. Example, if a company wants a humorous aid campaign, the agency should understand its brand tone and deliver accordingly. Departments in an advertising agency. An advertising agency consists of several departments, each playing a vital role. तो पहला क्या है? Creative department generates aid ideas, writes scripts and designs visuals. Next है media planning and buying, selects the best advertising platforms. Next, client servicing, acts as a point of contact between clients and the agency. Next, research and strategy, analyzes market trends and consumer preferences. Next, production department, produces TV commercials, video ads and digital contents. Example देखो, a car company launches a new model will rely on all these departments to create a successful campaign. Next, creation of advertising materials. Creating advertising content involves several steps. पहला है understanding client needs. इसमें क्या आता है? Analyzing the brand, target audience and objectivities. Next, brainstorming creative and engaging aid concepts. Next, content development, writing copy, designing visuals, and producing videos. Next, media selection, choosing platforms like TV, social media, print, radio for publishing. Next, final approval and execution, reviewing the ad and launching it. Example, a clothing brand creating an Instagram ad will focus on engaging visuals and catchy text. Next है media selection and checking. Advertising agencies carefully select media platforms based on the client's target audience and budget. जैसे कि television, high reach but expensive. Next, print media like newspaper, magazines for good for local advertising. Next, radio, cost effective for local reach. Next, digital media, websites, social media, search engines, targeted and measurable. Outdoor media like billboards, banners, good for mass exposure. Next है checking and verification, ensuring ads meet quality standards. Next, checking for errors in content and placement, monitoring ad performance and making adjustments if needed. Example, a travel agency may use Instagram ads to attract young travelers and newspaper ads to target old customers. तो ये था अपना यूनिट 8 एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज एंड क्लाइंट्स। तो यहां से तुम लोग का काम चालू होता है, यूनिट को अच्छे से समझ लो, हो सके तो लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो और एग्जाम में जाके किल कर दो। आ रहा है बात समझ में? तो चलो अभी के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं। बाय बाय।